Hello, Trish here from Camden Park House, New South Wales, Australia. Today we're looking at a very special Camellia cultivar named Aspasia Macarthur. Aspasia Macarthur is special because it was raised here at Camden Park in the 1840s by horticulturist and botanist Sir William Macarthur. Aspasia Macarthur was the first significant Australian raised camellia. In the 1840s, Sir William described Aspasia as light flesh colour with few splashes of crimson and pink, 3 rows of outer petals, large, thick and well formed. Inner petals more rounded and twisted, moderate size, very handsome. Apart from Aspasia Macarthur being a very strong grower, it also readily sports. A sport is a naturally occurring variation. Parts of the plant that vary are propagated to produce new cultivars. The white flowers with pink markings are the true form. The sports add a beautifying interest and present as a different flower variation but tend to remain in the same peony form. Aspasia Macarthur has produced superior sports which are famous and bloom around the world. Sporting cultivars include Lady Lock, Can, Margaret Davis, Otahuhu Beauty, Strawberry Blonde, Jean Claire and Just Sue. So Aspasia Macarthur is not only a most beautiful camellia, but it's also Australia's most famous sporting camellia.